So according to the Jamaica star, Yendi and Chino, not there again. They split like an overripe pear. Yendi jump ship, big ship that is. Or maybe it's a case that Yendi told Chino that the catwalk was not big enough for the both of them. You know, so Yendi and Chino forget this sneak attack couple of the year. They sneak up on we with the demons, they sneak up on we with the pregnants, and they sneak up on we with the leftments. If most of you never know, Yendi and Chino create the first Vine relationship. 1 to 2 seconds, them there. 2 to 4 seconds, Chino, aka Mr. Second in Command of the big ship, ducked his seamen, cause big ship seamen on Yendi's catwalk, cause Yendi muggle catwalk, get it, seamen catwalk, and I get the reference to them. I thought they were pretty funny. And from 4 to 6 seconds, the relationship done faster than Tanto Black's music career. Most people don't care, some people sad. I am in the group that's very sad. Need a bottle of champagne right now. This is something that I'm going to take very hard. It's so devastating. How could such a match made in big ship heaven sink so titanically? I don't understand. And see. Yendi, you can call my number any old time. And it seems as though things did not end on a soft note between the two, as they have unfollowed each other on Instagram, unfollowed each other on Twitter, possibly blocked each other on BBM, MSN, AOL, Yahoo. They have even gone as far as to ask that their names not be mentioned in the same sentence. That's how serious it is. It's not that serious. So if you're talking about Yendi full stop and Chino full stop, you have to say just like how I just say, Yendi full stop and Chino full stop. Don't forget the full stop. As for the real reasons behind the breakup, that is still a mystery. Like the $20 million trip that was took to China by our most beloved Wiggity Pride minister. We don't know nothing what I want. But you know, some have ears in the street, and people are saying that Chino and Yendi had conflicting views on which school was best for the then unborn baby. Yendi had high hopes of the baby attending modeling school. She wanted the child to be creeping the runways before the placenta was even detached. Whilst on the other side of the ship, Chino aspired for his child to attend the soon-to-be no more at SAR Pinnacle Kindergarten, basic, primary, secondary, high college school. As the ship began to tread deeper into turbulent waters, he said that Chino allegedly made some comments in the beginning of the relationship stating that he only gives Valentine's Day gifts to wifey. Valentine's Day come, Yendi not getting nothing. Word in the street is that after not receiving her Valentine's Day gift, Chino go home and Yendi was listening to and had on repeat Rain Civil's Mad Dem. No, man, we no compatible. Chino counteracted that song with Bugle's No Compatible. Yo, you want up on diet and I want a veggie burger. A Chino, a not so close non-existential friend had this to say about the couple.
Oh, Chino and Yendi, they get on each other's nerves like a bad tumor. Because Yendi couldn't stand every day Chino just want to eat veggie chunks. Every day a veggie chunk. Everything he might do a veggie chunk. Any kind of meal a veggie chunk. Stew veggie chunk. Curry veggie chunk. Fried veggie chunks. Beer veggie chunks. At one time when him just supposed to sprinkle rose on the bed. When Yendi go in there looking at bed, a beer veggie chunks still a sprinkle in her bed. Too much veggie chunk. And Yendi this started from Chino nerves too, because every day she just want to blend up beer grass but a protein shake. Cause you know say true she a mager and she have to stay slim. And beer grass she have to blend up on them son. Even though him is a roots man, him no like Bakiri grass juice. Anyways, mama ask you something now. How much may I get paid for the exclusives yeah?
And finally, the wind that tore the sail, the iceberg that sunk the ship, was one day Chino discovered their child doing more running than playing with the Fruity Loops studio and the microphone and the studio type equipment toys that Asaf, that Chino bad for him. The child was more into ESPN sports, especially when a track and field season, than BET, MTV, Hype TV, RETV, or any kind of channel where play music. And no, I am not saying N-O-T, I am not saying that the child that Yendi and Chino have is I'm a jacket. I want my jacket. I can't find my jacket, and if out of the cold, I want my jacket. I can only say what I am hearing in the streets are in my head. At the end of the day, what you should learn from this is that, stay away from light-skinned women. What the hell can you learn from this relationship? It was not even that public that he could have learned any goddamn thing. Whatever the situation is between Yendi and Chino, I hope that they work it out, and just remember that they have a child together. Yo, this is Kevin Too Crazy, man. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.
Yes, man.